Physical and scientific AI discovery. Here is your same structured beginner-friendly content for physical and scientific AI discovery, beginner level. Physical and scientific AI discovery means using artificial intelligence to discover new knowledge, laws, and solutions in science and the physical world. AI is now helping scientists in fields like physics, chemistry, biology, medicine, astronomy, material science. Instead of only analyzing known data, AI can discover new patterns, predict unknown outcomes, simulate real-world systems, accelerate scientific research. Examples include discovering new drugs, predicting protein structures, finding new materials, simulating climate systems, analyzing space data. This topic helps beginners understand how AI is used to advance science and innovation. What is physical and scientific AI discovery? Physical and scientific AI discovery is the use of AI to explore, understand, and discover new scientific knowledge. In simple words, AI in science equals using AI to make discoveries about the world. A beginner view includes data analysis, pattern discovery, prediction, simulation, optimization, hypothesis generation. Why AI is important in science. Scientific research is often complex, time-consuming, data-heavy. AI helps by analyzing large datasets, finding hidden patterns, predicting outcomes, reducing research time, enabling new discoveries. Basic areas of scientific AI. Area, purpose, data analysis, understand large datasets, simulation, model real-world systems, prediction, forecast outcomes, optimization, improve experiments, discovery, find new materials or drugs, hypothesis generation, suggest new scientific ideas. Example of scientific data. Experiment data equals 10, 15, 20, 25. Example of pattern detection data equals 10, 20, 30. If data 2 is equal to data 1, print increasing trend detected. Simple AI discovery example, Python. Values equals 1, 4, 9, 16. For V in values, print pattern V. How AI in scientific discovery works. Step 1. Collect data. Data equals 100, 200, 300. Step 2. Analyze data. If max data is greater than 250, print high value detected. Step 3. Find patterns. Print pattern identified. Step 4. Predict outcomes. Prediction equals 400. Print predicted value. Step 5. Generate insights. Print new insight discovered. AI in drug discovery. AI helps find new medicines. Compound equals drug A. If compound, print testing compound effectiveness. AI in physics. AI models physical systems. Velocity equals 50. If velocity greater than 40, print high speed detected. AI in chemistry. AI predicts chemical reactions. Reaction equals A plus B going to C. Print reaction predicted. Reaction AI in biology. AI studies living systems. DNA equals A, T, C, G. Print analyzing DNA. DNA. AI in climate science. AI predicts environmental changes. Temperature equals 30. If temperature greater than 25, print warming trend. AI in astronomy. AI analyzes space data. Signal equals unknown. Print analyzing cosmic signal. Signal. Full menu-based scientific AI example. Def analyze data. Data equals list map int. Input enter data. Split. Print max value. Max data. Def detect pattern. Data equals list map int input enter values. Split. If data -1 equals data 0, print increasing pattern. Else print no clear pattern. Def predict value. Value equals int input enter current value. Print predicted next value. Value plus 10. While true, print N1 analyze data. Print 2 detect pattern. Print 3 predict value. Print 4 exit. Choice equals input enter choice. If choice equals 1, analyze data. Elif choice equals 2, detect pattern. Elif choice equals 3, predict value. Elif choice equals 4, break else, invalid choice. Data analysis, pattern recognition, prediction, simulation, scientific modeling, real-world AI applications. Real-life analogy. AI in scientific discovery is like a scientist assistant that can analyze huge data, find patterns humans might miss, suggest new ideas, speed up experiments. Ways to improve a project: use real scientific datasets, apply machine learning models, build simulations, use deep learning for pattern detection, integrate with lab systems, use cloud computing, add visualization tools, explore research papers. Common mistakes beginners make: not expecting instant discoveries, ignoring data quality, oversimplifying scientific problems, not validating results, confusing correlation with causation. Where it is used: drug discovery, healthcare research, physics simulations, climate modeling, astronomy, material science, genomics, engineering. Large systems may include scientific AI platforms, simulation engines, data analysis pipelines, research automation systems. Simple definition: physical and scientific AI discovery. The use of artificial intelligence to analyze data, simulate systems, and discover new scientific knowledge. Final summary. AI in physical and scientific discovery helps accelerate innovation by finding patterns in complex data, predicting outcomes, simulating real-world systems, discovering new knowledge. It enables faster progress in science, medicine, and technology.